Morning students, I hope all of you are fine. So be positive, okay, don't worry, everything will be fine. So now in this video we will revise some question answers or some exercises from your poem Trees. Okay, so after reading this extract we have to answer these questions. Now name the poet of the above lines. The poet is Shirley Balar. Okay. So in what way do the trees help the wind? So when the wind blows through the trees, the leaves and branches move to and fro. To and fro means here and there, and giving cool breeze. Cool breeze here means cool air. Okay. Now list any 4 uses of trees mentioned in the stanza. So trees are useful for the wind. Trees used for playing hide and seek. Trees can use for tea parties, and trees also help to catching kites. Okay, it is also a very interesting use of trees. Now circle the game that the children are playing in the poem. So the game was hide and seek. We used to play this game with the help of trees. Now, so after reading the particular extract, you have to answer these questions. Bring out the contrast in the first 2 lines. So contrast here means highlight. What is the highlight of the first 2 lines? Means the main points. What is the message conveyed in 2 lines, in first 2 lines? So message was that during summers the trees provide cool shade. In winters this shade is not required because of the weather. Cool weather, this particular shade is not required in trees, but because of that weather, people stand under the open sun to enjoy its warmth. Here, poet wanted to say trees is also responsible for to be people stand in the under the open to taking warmth. Okay, so what use are the trees to mothers? According to the poem, mothers love to capture the beauty of the trees on their canvas, means to draw the pictures of trees. It is a very fun activity for mothers to draw a tree on the canvas. Write down the rhyming words used in the first 2 lines, summer, winter. Now, one of the following options is a synonym for chop down. So, chop down synonym is, according to the poem, the most appropriate is hack down. So, name the 2 fruits mentioned in the poem. So, apple and pear is mentioned in the poem, and name 2 more fruits started with same letters. So, we can write apricot and papaya. A, P. Now, what is timber and where do you get it from? So, timber basically is a kind of wood. We use it for making furniture. You used to see in your houses the usual furniture we use in our house. So, they made from timber. Okay, it's a kind of wood. Okay, students, so learn them.